This Century 21 all-service property video is presented by James Martin. Adorable ranch west/views of Peaks Park. Well-maintained and beautifully landscaped, west/decorative trees and other plantings. 3 BDRMs on main level, full bath west/jacuzzi tub, galley kit. West/stainless appliances. Over 2,200 feet of living space. Freshly cleaned carpets in bedrooms, HW laminate in living areas. Main level galley kit. Can half-stacked west/D. All appliances convey including 2 refrigerator, 2 DW, range on main level, stove top in basement, washer, dryer. Finished basement could be used as in-law apartment as it has full bath, kit, laundry and living areas. Current owner used a room on this level as master bedroom. 2 driveways allow for having your camper or boat on one and vehicles on the other, which also has a 2-car garage. Roof 2002, heat pump 2017, replacement insulated windows, storm doors, large deck, storage building, fully fenced rear yard. Included Nest Thermostat, propane tank, ARLO home monitoring system. Home wired for generator. Close to shops, major employers, and restaurants. For more information, review the details below or contact James Martin at 434-237-7777.